Konnichiwa. Hope everyone's good. So I'll come out and do a video on the EDC bag, or one of them. Got three. So I figured I'll start off with this one since I've got it on as I'm not going to carry all three out just for a video. I'll do the other two when I get back to the house. That's the Maxpedition Fat Boy, I think it is. It's on the side. Still got the Swiss Canteen. I think it's the 84 model. And then got a spare battery for the flashlight, which is a Phoenix 18650. Victorinox Ranger. And the Turbo Flame Ranger. Then up on the top, got the flashlight, which is still the Army Tech Elf C2, which is still one of my favourites. And then here, I just got a hat. And binoculars, just a small pair. And an Israeli field dressing. And some burn shield. And then in the back, got a schmag. And that's all I've got with us today in that bag. So the Maxpedition Orca waist pack. Again, it's the exact same thing, except you can't fit a schmag in it. So I've got the Bundeswehr military issue bandana, which is huge, so it's about halfway between a schmag and a bandana. Besides that, it's pretty much the same thing, except got the World War II Soviet-Russian canteen with a reproduction canteen pouch. Kind of matches the bag a little bit, some of the colour scheme. So the work bag is still a 511 all hazards. And the contents of that is the exact same as the last video I showed it in, with the exception of I got a encyclopedia on plants, brand new heavy duty garden scissors, a new holster, secateurs are the same, and that was a gift from my father, and some brand new shears. And I don't bother with the big lunchbox anymore, I just carry some cereal bars and that's about it.